Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning with Lakshmi Kumari. After a long time, hope you are ready to watch the new video. So we are going to start with a new topic which is very interesting and which even useful in the higher classes too. Whereas you can estimate the numbers in the higher classes, you will be getting like estimate the numbers and find their sum, or estimate the numbers and find their difference, or estimate the numbers and find their product. These kind of questions you will come across. So to make the topic clear, this video will help you how to round off the numbers to the nearest to 10, 100,000. You will definitely come out of your confusion. So please let's get into the topic. So first of all, when you are trying to round off a number to the nearest 10, 100,000, you should be clear with the question. The question has been asked. What has been asked in the question, like round off to nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to south, nearest 1000. Say for example, the question is asked to round off to nearest to 10. The first thing you have to remember is in your answer definitely we are going to get 10 because we are rounding off to nearest to 10. As 10 is having 10, definitely our answer also should have 10. The number which is in the ones place should become into 0. And the next one, we are going to learn some easy techniques and easy steps how to follow. First thing, before getting into the steps, you should remember is when you are rounding off a number to the nearest 10, your midpoint is 5. As this is the midpoint from 0 to 10, your technique will start here. When you are rounding off to nearest to 10, first remember, suppose whatever the numbers you come across in the ones place less than 5, the number which is in the tens place remains same. You need not to do anything. Suppose if the number which is in the ones place is more than 5 or equal to 5, if lies in the range of 5 to 10, then definitely you should add 1 to the number in the tens place. Say for example 53. Now come on to the steps. Step 1. What you should do? First underline the digit in the ones place. Our step 1 is underline the digit in the ones place. So this ones place digit definitely in the answer is going to become 0. So write 0 below it. Now step 2. Now see this 3 lies before 5 or after 5. So definitely your answer is before 5. So our work has become easy. No need to do anything for this. So simply carry down which is the number in the tens place. So when you round off 53 to the nearest 10, you will be getting 50. Say for example 389. This is the question. You have to round off to nearest 10. Our step 1, underline 9. And in our answer this is going to be 0. So write 0 below it. Now see 9. 9 will be after 5. So that means 9 is greater than 5. As 9 is greater than 5, definitely you have to add 1 to the number in the tens place. So write 8 plus 1, 9. So what about this 3? No confusion here. 3 remains same. So carry down 3 as it is. And one more example, like suppose if it is in 1000, 3455. Right. Now come back to our steps. Step 1, underline 5. Write 0 because this is going to become 0 in our answer. Now as this is exactly the midpoint, even then also you need to add 1 in the tens place. So 5 plus 1 is going to be 6. And next remaining digits are going to be 4, 3. So this is how easily you can find out or you can round off the numbers to nearest 10. So Okay, we have learned how to round off to nearest 10. Now we are going to learn how to round off to nearest 100. So definitely you should remember that 100 will be having two zeros, right? So in our answer also, you should compulsory get two zeros. That means the number in the ones place and the tens place, you should write like 0. So see the range here, 0 to 100. So the midpoint is 50. So here when you round off to nearest 100, our midpoint is 50. So always remember, if the number is less than 50, that means the number in the ones place, tens place together. So if it is less than 50, our work is so simple and easy. Whatever the numbers are there in the hundreds place or thousands place, the same digits we are going to carry down. Suppose if it is exactly equal to 50 or greater than 50, then you should remember compulsory you should add 1 to the digit in the hundreds place. Now let's come back to the examples. Like 729, our step 1. Hope you remember the steps. Step 1, underline 2, 9. And these 2, 9 are going to be zeros in our answer. When you round off the number to the nearest 100, compulsory it should contain two zeros in your answer. So 29 will become zeros here, and now check whether it is less than 50 or more than 50. Obviously it is less than 50. So work is simple. No need to do anything. Write the digit in the hundreds place as it is. So when you round off 729 to the nearest 100, your answer is 700. Say for example 835. Now you remember the step 1. So come on, do along with me. Underline first 35. Write 00. Right. Now check whether it is less than 50, equal to 50 or more than 50. Then it is less than 50. So work is so simple. Write 8 as it is. Now come again with the next example, like 1349. It's very close to 50. Even then also our step 1, underline 49, 00. As this is less than 50, simple. 13 is going to be 13 as it is. So when you round off, you will be getting 1300. Right. Now say one more example we are going to discuss, that is 9867. Right. Now step 1, underline 67. Write 0, 0. Now check. 67 is more than 50. So what you need to do? Add 1 to the digit in the hundreds place. Don't add 1 to the digit in the next place. So please remember that point. So 8 plus 1 is going to be 9, and this is 9900 is your answer. So next one, 8975. So step 1, underline 75. It is going to be 00. As 75 is more than 50, add 1 here. Definitely here at this kind of questions, you will get a doubt. 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. So what to do? No doubt in that. Write only 0 here. That 1 whatever you got in 10, carry to 8. So your answer is going to be 9000. Right. Totally your answer, total answer number is going to change in such kind of questions. Okay. Now let us come back to how to round off to nearest 1000. How simple it is, right? So only the midpoint you should remember, whether you are rounding off to nearest to 10, 100 or 1000. It is all like 5, 50, 500. Now as we are rounding off to nearest to 1000, this is going to be, midpoint is going to be 500 and your ending number is 1000. Simple. Suppose if it is less than 500, number remains the same. If it is equal to 500, you should add 1 to the number in the thousands place. Even if it is more than 500 also, you should add 1 to the number in the thousands place. Say for example 9435. Now I think you understood the trick. In the answer compulsory you should get 3 zeros, as 1000 contains 3 zeros. First underline all the 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So, in our answer, these 3 digits are going to disappear. So, 435 is less than 500, equal to 500 or more than 500. So, definitely your answer is less than 500. So, no need to do anything. 9 simply carry down as it is. Now, the question is 24,567. Step 1. Underline all the 3 digits. Write 1, 2, 3. Right, 3 zeros we got. As 567 is more than 500, add 1 to the digit in the thousands place, which is 4 plus 1, which is 5, and your answer is 25,000. When you come to 3,45,699, same thing. Step 1. Underline all the 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Right. 699 is more than 500. Add 1 to the digit in thousands place. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Right. Now what about remaining digits? 3, 4 as it is carried on. Now your final answer is going to be 3,46,000. How simple you find it. I think you find it very easy to round off a number to the nearest 10, 100,000. Hope you understand the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And all the best and wait for the next video. Bye bye everyone.